So I get this question a lot. I'm starting to code. What programming language should I start with? It's obvious. You should start with Python. It blows my mind that you'd consider anything else. And there's two main reasons I want to steer you away from your JavaScripts and your Javas and your C++s. Python is the Swiss Army knife of coding languages. You can use it as a scripting language. You can use it to build out highly scalable and distributed backend systems. You can use it to build and train AI models. Heck, you can even use it to build out full stack web applications, no JavaScript needed. But reason number two is probably a more compelling reason for why you should pick Python as your very first. Let me tell you a really quick story. I was on site for one of the coding interviews at a big tech company back when coding interviews used to be on site and you had to code out your code on a whiteboard. Long story short, I decided to use C++ to solve a lead code style problem, and I had to write so much code to get my logic across that I ended up running out of whiteboard real estate, and I almost went over and wrote over a socket outlet before the interviewer had to step in to stop me. Moral of the story, Python reads like the English language. You have to write a lot less code to get what you're trying to get done. And that is huge because it reduces the cognitive load and keeps the learning process fun and breezy when you're just trying to learn simple coding basics like variables, assignments, operators, for and while loops, object-oriented programming, inheritance, and other basic fundamentals like that. Trust me, there will be time for learning C++, Java, and the other strongly typed programming languages, but do yourself a favor, start off with Python.